few years ago, we launched the AirHed Cine, a super popular fluid pan and tilt head for video use. We liked it so much we thought we can improve that, and here it is, the AirHed Cine CC. We retained all of the fantastic functionality from the original AirHed Cine, but added a few innovations that we think you might quite like. For a kickoff, the same standard tilt and pan fluid action. It's smooth and it just feels good. We've changed the top plate to our new standard ultra plate, which we introduced on Kickstarter a couple of years back. It comes with the cable management hook for any cables you might have trailing from the back of the camera, and an Arca square underneath that enables you to take your camera from this head onto another head and use it in two different orientations. The standard sled gives you the option to use a 3/8 or a 1/4-20 thread and moves to suit the balance of your camera. Plus, if you've been keeping an eye on our socials, you'll know that we introduced the expand range. At the rear of the ultra plate comes the expand slot. It's compatible with all of our cheese plates and all of our expand accessories that we'll be introducing over the next couple of years. One of the groovy new functions of the AirHed Cine CC is the retractable arm. Check it out. As with the previous incarnation, the AirHed Cine CC arm detaches and it comes with a ratchet on the lever so you can reposition to keep it out of the way of working parts. Has a spirit level at the rear so you can check it while you're shooting, a spirit level on the top so you can level the camera when you're setting up. And you'd think with all that added functionality, the product would be heavier than the previous incarnation. You'd be wrong. It's actually lighter. Those of you with a keen eye will notice that the top clamp has changed from an oblong shape to a square. And that's because we've decided it's about time somebody offered vertical shooting in a pan and tilt head. By undoing these 4 screws, you can rotate the clamp, re-secure it, and then use an L bracket in a vertical mode on your DSLR or your mirrorless camera to shoot reels, TikTok videos, and other vertical format footage. And here's one of the biggest selling points on this product. Not only is it better, lighter, more functional, more capable, whilst retaining all of the smooth fluid features it had from the previous version, it's now more price accessible. That's right. This is the brand new 3-legged thing AirHed Cine CC. It's just delish, isn't it?